You are probably paying for at least one AI tool right now that has a free alternative that does almost exactly the same thing. Maybe 2 or 3 of them. In this video I am going to go through 12 paid AI tools and the free replacements most people have never considered. By the end you will know exactly where you can cut costs without cutting capability. Subscribe to Padded Vibes and drop a comment telling me where you are watching from. Let us get into all 12. Number 1. ChatGPT is the tool most people pay for when they need a powerful AI assistant for research, analysis, and writing. The free replacement is DeepSeek. It is open source, completely free to use through their web interface, and on complex reasoning and research tasks it holds up remarkably well against the paid version of ChatGPT. If research and writing assistance is your primary use case, DeepSeek is worth switching to immediately. Number 2. Video with AI avatars. HeyGen lets you create videos featuring realistic AI avatars that deliver your script on screen, and it has become a popular tool for faceless content creators and marketers. The free alternative to explore here is More AI, which offers AI video generation features accessible without the HeyGen price tag. For creators just getting started with AI avatar video, testing a free option first before committing to a paid subscription is always the smarter move. Number 3. Design. Canva is the paid tool most non-designers reach for, and it is genuinely excellent. But if budget is a concern, Photopea is a free browser-based design tool that replicates a significant portion of professional design software functionality, including working with layered files, advanced image editing, and complex compositions. It runs entirely in your browser with no download required and no subscription. Number 4. This is the one most people genuinely do not know about. Image generation. Midjourney produces some of the most visually stunning AI-generated images available, but it requires a paid subscription. The free replacement is Leonardo AI. It offers a generous free tier with daily token credits, supports multiple generation models, gives you fine-tuned style controls, and produces output quality that genuinely competes with paid tools in many use cases. If you have been paying for image generation or avoiding it because of the cost, Leonardo AI is the first place to go. Number 5. Coding Assistant. Cursor is a paid AI-powered code editor that has become popular among developers for its ability to understand and edit entire code bases. The free alternative is Codium. It provides AI-powered code completion, explanation, and generation across dozens of programming languages and integrates with most major code editors as a free extension. For developers who want AI assistance in their coding workflow without the subscription cost, Codium is a serious option. Number 6. Presentations. Gamma is a well-designed AI presentation builder that creates polished decks from a text prompt. The free alternative is Slidesco, which provides a large library of professionally designed presentation templates that you can customize, along with AI-assisted content generation features on the free tier. For creators and professionals who need presentation materials regularly without paying for a monthly AI subscription, this is a practical alternative. Number 7. Voice cloning. 11 Labs is the gold standard for realistic AI voice generation and cloning, used by creators and businesses for professional voiceover production. PlayHT offers a free tier that includes AI voice generation across multiple voices and languages. For creators exploring voiceover AI before committing to a paid plan, PlayHT gives you enough access to test the quality and evaluate whether it fits your workflow. Number 8. Video editing. Runway is a powerful AI video editing platform used for background removal, object editing, and AI-powered video effects, with a subscription price that reflects its capabilities. CapCut is the free alternative that has become one of the most widely used video editing tools in the creator community. It offers a strong feature set including AI-powered tools for background removal, auto captions, effects, and transitions, all available without paying anything. For most content creators, CapCut handles the majority of video editing needs completely for free. Number 9. AI writing. Jasper is one of the established paid platforms for AI-assisted marketing copy, blog content, and long-form writing. Writesonic is the free alternative worth knowing about. It offers a free plan with access to AI writing tools across multiple formats, including blog posts, marketing copy, product descriptions, and social media content. The free tier is limited in volume but generous enough to evaluate whether the quality meets your standards before considering any paid upgrade. Number 10. Automation. Zapier is the most widely used automation platform connecting apps and automating workflows between them, and it is a paid service once you move beyond very basic automations. IFT, which stands for If This Then That, is the free alternative for simpler automation needs. It connects apps and devices through straightforward if this then that logic and has a free tier that covers a meaningful range of automation scenarios. For creators and small business owners who need basic workflow automation without the Zapier price, IFT handles the essentials. Number 11. Website Builder. Webflow is a powerful paid website building and hosting platform used by professional designers and agencies for its visual design control and clean code output. Card is the free alternative for anyone who needs a simple, clean, well-designed website or landing page without complexity. It lets you build single-page sites on the free tier that look genuinely professional. For creators who need a presence online, a portfolio, a link in bio page, or a simple landing page, Card delivers that without any cost. Number 12. AI Meeting Notes. Fireflies is a paid AI tool that joins your meetings, transcribes the conversation, generates summaries, and integrates with your CRM and productivity tools. Fathom is the free alternative that does the core job remarkably well. It records and transcribes your calls, highlights key moments, and generates a meeting summary automatically, all on a free plan. For anyone spending a significant amount of time in video calls who wants to stop taking manual notes, Fathom is one of the most useful free tools available right now and the one most people overlook. That is all 12. Research, AI video, design, image generation, coding assistance, presentations, voice generation, video editing, writing, automation, website building, and meeting notes. Every category has a free option worth trying before you pay. The honest advice is this: do not cancel everything immediately. Test the free alternative for 2 weeks in your actual workflow. If it covers what you need, make the switch. If the paid tool genuinely does something the free one cannot, at least now you know you are paying for a real difference rather than just a habit. Hit the like button if this saved you something. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more tool comparisons every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and which of these 12 swaps you are going to try first. See you in the next one.